Today I'm going to teach you how to add labels to GitHub discussions and use the announcements category. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize conversations within your repository and highlight important updates for your team or community. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to enable discussions and announcements. This is where all the changes will take place. Now that you're inside your chosen repository, focus your attention on the top toolbar. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to click on Settings. This is the control center for your repository where you can configure various features and permissions. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Discussions. This feature might not be immediately visible, so take your time scrolling. When you spot it, you'll notice there's a checkbox right beside the word Discussions. Go ahead and check that box to enable this feature for your repository. This action activates the Discussions tab, allowing you and your collaborators to start conversations directly within the repository. After enabling discussions, you'll need to refresh the page to make sure all the changes take effect properly. This ensures that the new Discussions tab appears and functions correctly in your repository. With the page refreshed, navigate back to the top toolbar. You should now see a new tab labeled Discussions. Click on it to access the Discussions area. This is where all community conversations, questions, and announcements will live. Inside the Discussions section, look for the button that says New Discussion and click it. This opens up the interface where you can create different types of discussion threads. You'll see various categories available, each serving a different purpose for organizing your conversations. Navigate to the Announcements category, which is specifically designed for important updates that you want to highlight. You'll see a Get Started button right beside it. Click on this button to begin creating your announcement. This category is perfect for sharing significant news, updates, or information that everyone in your repository should see. Now you'll be presented with a form where you can compose your announcement. Start by adding a title that clearly describes what your announcement is about. Make it concise but descriptive enough that people understand the content at a glance. Next, move down to the body section where you can enter the main text of your announcement. Type in all the details you want to share with your community or team. Once you've finished writing and you're satisfied with your content, click the Start Discussion button to publish your announcement. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled discussions, created an announcement, and can now use labels to organize conversations in your GitHub repository. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.